In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website in hPanel and connect your domain to Hostinger. We'll go through the full process in a simple and practical way so you know exactly what to do and what to expect along the way. This setup is important because adding the website inside your hosting account is only one part of the job. You also need to make sure your domain is pointing to the correct name servers so visitors can actually reach your site. To begin, log into hPanel. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Websites section and choose Add Website. This is where you'll start creating the new website inside your hosting account. The layout is usually very straightforward, so just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Next, enter your domain name in the field provided and then select the hosting plan where you want this website to be placed. Make sure you choose the correct plan, especially if you manage more than one site or more than one hosting subscription. This step tells your hosting account which domain should be connected to which hosting space. After that, the next part happens at your domain registrar. Open your domain registrar's control panel, find the DNS or name server settings for your domain, and update the name servers so they point to Hostinger. The name servers you need to use are ns1.dnsparking.com and ns2.dnsparking.com. This change is what connects your domain name to your Hostinger hosting account. When entering the name servers, take a moment to double check for spelling errors. Even a small typo can prevent the domain from connecting properly. Also, if your registrar asks whether you want to replace existing name servers, go ahead and replace them with the Hostinger ones listed here. Once you save those changes, the setup is not always instant, and that's completely normal. You'll need to wait 24 to 48 hours for DNS propagation to complete. During this period, the domain information updates across servers around the world. That means some people may see the new connection earlier, while others may still see the old one until propagation finishes. While you're waiting, avoid making repeated changes unless absolutely necessary because that can sometimes create confusion and delay troubleshooting. Once propagation is complete, your domain should be fully connected to your Hostinger hosting account and ready for the next stage of building or launching your website. And that's it. That's how to add a website in hPanel and point your domain to Hostinger correctly.